Hi, welcome to another video. So, if you have been following the channel, you know I've been talking about Bind AI for a little while now. It's been one of those tools that showed a lot of promise, aiming to bridge the gap between simple vibe coding tools and actual heavy-duty IDEs. Well, today I have a massive update for you because they just dropped some features that, in my opinion, might just make this the best alternative to things like Replit, Lovable, and even Cursor for a lot of you. First off, the big news. The waitlist is officially removed. You don't have to wait in line anymore. Anyone can jump in right now and start building. But the massive news, and the reason I wanted to get this video out to you guys quickly, is their Black Friday offer. We all know the pain of AI subscriptions. You pay for Replit or Lovable, and if you don't use all your credits that month, poof, they are gone. Or if you cancel the subscription, you lose access to your remaining credits. It's a rental model. Bind AI is flipping this on its head. For a limited time, they are offering lifetime credits that never expire. You can save up to 60% on agent credits right now. That means you buy them, they sit in your account, and whether you code tomorrow or 6 months from now, they are still there. That is a huge deal for founders and devs who have bursty workloads. Now, let's talk about what actually powers this thing, because this is where Bind AI is flexing some serious muscle. We aren't just talking about GPT-5 here. Bind AI lets you build full-stack apps using the absolute top-tier coding models available right now. We are talking about Gemini 3.0 Pro, Claude 4.5 Sonnet, and even GPT 5.1. Claude 4.5 Opus is also now fully available in Bind. So, you can now enjoy the best coding capabilities in it. Having all these models available in a single DV environment is kind of insane. You don't need separate subscriptions for ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro. It's all aggregated here. And a little side note, Bind AI is actually part of the Google for AI Startups program, which explains how they have such deep integration and early access to these powerful Gemini models. So, how does it actually work in practice? The beauty of Bind AI is that it is flexible. You can start from anywhere. If you have a napkin sketch or a nice mockup you made in Figma, you can drop that design image right into the chat. Bind AI converts UI designs into React or NextJS code with a claimed 92% accuracy. That is significantly higher than what we usually see with standard multimodal models. Or, if you are a developer who already has a project, you can import your existing GitHub repository and start working from there. But here is the key differentiator, and this is really important for those of you who are tired of tools that only build pretty landing pages. Unlike tools that focus purely on simple React scaffolds, Bind AI handles full-stack apps. I'm talking about the real deal. You can ask it to set up a backend, create API routes, and, this is my favorite part, connect a Supabase database and wire up authentication. You just have to flip the mode to full-stack agent and you're off to the races. In other tools, you usually hit a wall once you need to save user data or handle logins. Here, it just does it. You own the code, you own the application logic, and it helps you scaffold the database schema, write the backend resolvers, and connect it all to the front end. Now let's talk about the feature that I think makes this a real tool for CTO and senior devs, not just hobbyists. Bind AI now has a native GitHub integration. In a lot of web-based AI builders, you're kind of stuck in their sandbox. Getting the code out is a pain. With Bind AI, you import your repo. You can create a new branch directly from the AI interface. You let the agent write the code, fix the bugs, and implement the features. And then you push that code directly back to GitHub. It can even automatically merge pull requests for you. This effectively means you can use Bind AI as a cloud-based extension of your actual production workflow. You aren't building toy apps that die in the browser. You are building features that go into your main branch. And for those of you watching who have been burned by AI hallucinations before, you know, when the AI decides to delete half your functions for no reason, Bind AI has added version history with rollbacks. This is a lifesaver. If the AI messes up your code, you don't have to panic or try to manually undo 1,000 lines. You just look at the version history, find the last working state, and click rollback. Never let AI mess up your code is basically the motto here. Once you have built your app, let's say a full-stack NextJS app with a Supabase backend, you need to host it. Bind AI has a one-click deploy integration with Vercel, so you go from prompt to code to GitHub to a live URL on Vercel, all without leaving the tab. And if you are building with a team, they have really expanded the collaboration features. You can now invite up to 50 collaborators to your team in Bind AI. This allows you to centralize billing, so you aren't managing 50 different credit cards, and have everyone working on the same platform. So, where does this sit in the current landscape? I see a lot of people comparing this to Replit or Lovable, and here is my take on it. It is genuinely the best alternative to Replit right now because of the model selection and the pricing structure. It is more powerful than Lovable because Lovable is good for front end, but Bind AI really shines when you need that complex backend and database work. The best way to describe it is, think cursor-level power with Lovable-grade simplicity. If you are a front-end engineer, you will love the design-to-code accuracy. If you are a founder or a CTO, you will love the speed of shipping full-stack MVPs. Now, let's circle back to that offer because it is time-sensitive. For Black Friday, they are doing that specific deal I mentioned. Save up to 60% on agent credits. Again, unlike Replit or Lovable, where your credits expire if you cancel or at the end of the month, these are lifetime credits. You buy them, you keep them. This is perfect if you are someone who builds in bursts. Maybe you code a lot this weekend, then take a break for 2 weeks. You shouldn't be penalized for that. To get this deal, you need to use the link in the description below. But you need to act fast because this offer ends on November 28th at midnight. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.